Hey hustlers, welcome back to Side Hustle Sphere, your go-to channel for turning everyday skills into serious income. Today, we're unlocking the easiest side hustle you can start right now, selling stock photos using just your smartphone. No fancy cameras, no expensive gear, just your phone, creativity, and this step-by-step guide. Let's turn those snaps into cash. Step 1. How stock photography works. The passive income model. Stock photos are the hidden heroes of the digital world. Businesses, bloggers, and marketers constantly need high-quality images for ads, websites, and social media. Instead of hiring photographers, they buy licenses for pre-shot images on platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Pexels. Every time someone downloads your photo, you earn a royalty ranging from $0.25 to $50 plus per download depending on the license type. The best part? One photo can sell hundreds of times, creating true passive income. Step 2. Shooting sellable photos with your phone. Your smartphone is more than enough. Follow these pro tips to maximize sales. Lighting. Golden hour, sunrise, sunset equals magic. Avoid harsh shadows. Composition. Use the rule of thirds, enable grid lines in your camera settings. Subjects that sell. Lifestyle. Hands typing on laptops, coffee cups, morning routines. Business. Home offices, notebooks, tech gadgets. Trending niches. Sustainability, reusable bottles, plants, remote work, wellness. Technical musts. Shoot in landscape mode, horizontal. Most buyers need this format. Avoid blurry or grainy shots. Clean your lens. No copyrighted items, for example, branded logos, artwork. Step 3. Editing like a pro. Free tools. Polish your photos to stand out. Snapseed. Adjust brightness, contrast, and ambience for pop. Lightroom Mobile. Use presets for consistent tones. Canva. Resize to 4,000 plus pixels wide, required by some platforms. Pro tip. Keep edits natural. Over-filtered photos get rejected. Step 4. Top platforms to sell. Free to join. Start with these beginner-friendly sites. Shutterstock, contributor, high traffic, lower royalties. Adobe Stock, premium payouts, integrates with Photoshop. Pexels, free downloads, but great for exposure. EyeEm loves smartphone photos. EyeEm accepts real-life unpolished shots. Note: some require ID verification for payout. Standard procedure. Step 5. Uploading for maximum sales. SEO is key. Your keywords and titles determine visibility. Example: bad title, photo of a desk. Good title: minimalist home office desk with laptop and notebook. Top-down view. Keywords: remote work, productivity, workspace, laptop, clean desk, wood table. Pro move. Use tools like Shutterstock, Keyword Suggest, or Answorth Public to find trending search terms. Step 6. Scaling your earnings. Consistency. Upload 5-10 photos weekly. A portfolio of 100 plus images can earn $55 a month. Trends, holidays, seasons, and viral topics, for example, AI technology, spike demand. Like this? Smash that subscribe button. We drop new side hustle breakdowns. See you in the next video.